This is why you need to stay updated on the 2024 US presidential race. President Joe Biden is stepping down from the 2024 presidential race. Yes, you heard that right. He's endorsed Vice President Kamala Harris to take the lead. Biden stated this decision was in the best interest of both his party and the nation. So what does this mean for the upcoming election? With Harris now front and center, the dynamics of the race are shifting rapidly. Will Harris rally the support needed to win? And how will this impact the strategies of other candidates? Stay tuned as we bring you all the latest updates on this groundbreaking development. The 2024 race just took an unexpected turn. Do you think there are any hidden agendas? Do you think that was a smart move from Joe Biden? Let us know in the comments section down below. Don't miss out, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS. Keep yourself informed.